In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove accountant admin access in Xero. Managing user access is a crucial component of maintaining the security and integrity of your accounting data. If you find yourself needing to adjust who has admin access in Xero, it's important to know how to make these changes easily and effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Xero dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for all things Xero, and it's where you'll begin your journey to manage user permissions. After you've arrived at the dashboard, look for a highlighted section that indicates where you should click next. This pointer will help guide you seamlessly through the process without getting lost. Once you've clicked on the highlighted area, you'll need to head over to the Settings menu. Settings in Xero is the command center where you can oversee a variety of aspects related to your account, including user permissions. Clicking on Settings will provide you with further menu options that are essential for our task today. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Users. Go ahead and click on this. The Users option will present you with a list of all users currently associated with your Xero account, and this is where you can make the necessary adjustments to permissions and roles. Make sure you select Users to continue through the process. Next, there will be another highlighted section in the Users tab. Clicking here is crucial as it takes you directly to detailed user settings, allowing you to find the specific account you want to modify or remove. It's all about streamlining the process and ensuring you're making changes where they're needed most. In the following step, find the user whose admin access you intend to remove. Let's say for demonstration purposes, there's a user named Trial whose admin access you need to delete. There should be an option next to this user that says Delete Trial. Clicking on this will initiate the removal of admin access for that particular user. Make sure you are certain about removing this access, as this action can impact what the user is able to do within your Xero environment. Finally, you will be prompted with a confirmation message, Yes, delete user. Click on this option to complete the deletion process. Be cautious and ensure you've reviewed your decision since it finalizes the removal of this user's admin privileges, effectively altering their permissions within Xero. And that's it! You've successfully removed admin access for an accountant in Xero. By following these steps, you ensure that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive areas of your accounting software, maintaining the integrity and security of your financial data. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.